Hello, I am Dr. Shrutika Putpunne. I am a practicing psychiatrist working in Chiklur, a small town in Maharashtra. As a part of my job, I, I treat sadness and mental illness, but talking about wellness and helping people stay well is something that interests me more. As part of my personal and professional journey, I have I have been exploring positive psychology and emotional intelligence uh, for exploring what are the secrets of happiness and what keeps people happy. When we talk about happiness, we are not talking about a brief sense of elation, but we are talking about something more deeper, a sense of satisfaction and a sense of peace is what I mean. Science shows that happier people live longer, live healthier, are more successful, and have better relationships. If only we knew how to be happy, we would be able to avoid a lot of mental distress. Science says that although we can't change what life throws at us, but we can choose how we think and how we choose to react to life circumstances. And this can have a big impact on our sense of happiness and satisfaction with life. Great Dream is an acronym for certain evidence based keys to a happier living. They have been developed by a charity in UK called Action for Happiness. These are a menu of actions or behaviors suggested for a more enriching, purposeful, and happier living. They are strongly grounded in positive psychology and focus on developing character strength and taking charge of our lives. These principles strongly resonate with me personally and professionally, and I often dip into them to give tips to my patients as they recover and nurture themselves back to health. Great are five actions that we can take in relation to our external world. The G is for giving. Selfless giving or doing things for others feels good. This could be giving money, time, and these days our undivided attention. Doing kind gestures for others activates the brain reward pathway and sets up a loop of happiness. So if we want to feel good, do good. R is for relating. Loving relations help the world go round. Connecting with others across age, across religion, class, and other divisions helps us stay grounded. Nurturing our relationships with our loved ones helps us make them more satisfying and increases our sense of well-being. E is for exercise. Exercising is taking care of our body. It is a miracle for our brain too, as it also helps our memory. An active lifestyle helps our sense of well-being, helps us sleep, our nutrition, and it would also mean lesser time on the screen. A is for awareness or living life mindfully. Much of our lives these days are characterized by busyness. We are either preoccupied with what has happened in the past or we are vexing about what might happen in the future. We often don't seem to notice the present and experience its glory. Research says that stopping, taking a break, or being more mindful of what's happening around us helps us feel more calmer and also helps us think straight. T is for trying out. Learning new things helps us keep engaged and also helps our sense of curiosity and a sense of wonder in life. Mastering things helps a sense of accomplishment and it also builds on our creativity. This in turn helps build our brain flexibility and maintains vibrancy in our lives. Dream are the five things that focus on internal actions. D is for direction. Setting goals, big or small, helps us get a sense of control of our lives and helps us make progress. Achieving these goals helps build a sense of accomplishment. Setting goals and planning actions for the obstacles in our way helps build our confidence and self-esteem. R is for resilience. We all face life's challenges, but finding ways to bounce back can be learned. Acknowledging our strengths, avoiding negative thoughts, and using skills acquired in facing previous challenges can help us bounce back faster. E is for emotions. Looking for what is good even in a hopeless situation can work wonders. We are often hardwired to look at the negative side of a thing, and we default look at the negatives rather than the positives. Optimistic people tend to look at the positive side of life and look at a glass and say it's half full than half empty. Experiencing gratitude for small things around us help us stay grounded and appreciate the little joys in our life and help us stay happier. A is for acceptance. We need to accept ourselves along with our strengths and weaknesses. Being comfortable with ourselves will help us stop being overly self-critical. Having compassion for ourselves will help us build our self-esteem and will also help us overcome our weaknesses and help us find happiness in life. M is for meaning. Being able to look at life beyond ourselves helps us make our lives more purposeful and adjust to life's trials and tribulations. Thinking of what footprints we would like to leave behind might be a start to explore this meaning of life. Great Dream is a menu of possible actions we may take to make our lives happier and contented. What works for everyone may be different and may be different at different times. I hope that this these keys of happiness helps inspire you to find your happiness in life. Thank you.